Wow. It's perfect! Hello guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? So today, we're going to make cassava cake. So as you can see, I have all the ingredients in front of me. And I have the cassava that I already peeled off. As you can see, this is how it look like when you peel the cassava. And this is when you, after you grated it and squeeze the water, the liquid out of the cassava. 4 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, and we're gonna need 2 eggs and 1/2 of sugar. The condensed milk gonna make the cassava already sweet, and you just need to put a little sugar on it. And we also need coconut milk. This, you can use any kind of coconut milk. This is the only one that I can find at the Asian store, so this is what I got. And I need, this is like 1 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, and this is going to be our mixing bowl. And I put the like, this is a cheesecloth, but you can use the cheesecloth to squeeze the liquid out of the cassava. So now we're going to start it. I'm going to show you how to grate cassava. You can also do the blender if you don't feel like using this method, because this is the method I like to do. So this is just how the way I do it, guys, with like, you know, grating it. This I like, because I really like the method of this method. Oh, excuse my lips. Just keep doing it. Then I'm going, after I finish with this one, I'm going to show you how to squeeze the water, the liquid out of this cassava, to take the bitterness out of it. And to get some behind it, you just have to take it out. So I'm gonna just finish this one. I'm not going all the way because it got like this part over here is like kind of woody, so I'm not going all the way to the top. This is how it looked like when the fresh cut of cassava is like grated. This is what it looked like. As you can see, it's too, like, you know, it's got like soaked with liquid. Now what we gotta do is we just go and get the cheesecloth, cheesecloth, and just gotta spread out and make sure that this is not really like thin. Make sure that it's kind of thick in the middle, and just go and spread it out. Now we gotta do is put the cassava in our cheesecloth. I keep saying tablecloth. What is on my mind? Cheesecloth. And what we gotta do is like wrap it like this, and then just wrap it like that, and then we're gonna tie it together. So you can see, then this is the bowl like we're gonna use to put, like, we're gonna put the liquid in here. You can do this in a sink, and as you can see, all the juice is coming out from the cassava, or the liquid from it. And we really want the cassava liquid to be out, I said, because we don't want it, we don't want the bitterness on our cassava. We just really need to squeeze it. Making cassava cake is a little work. And now this is how it's gonna be look like, guys. Like you can see, this is how it's gonna be look like when after you squeeze the water or the liquid on it. So that's good now. And we're gonna make the other one. Do the other one. So this gonna be the last one, guys. Then we're gonna do we're gonna start mixing our cassava mix, or that gonna be our cake. Let's go. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze. You have to have the muscles. It won't like work out your whole muscle, your whole arm when squeezing this cassava. Alright, so here you go. Just another one. This is how much, you can see that, how much juice in just a little, like just one small cassava, grated cassava got. So this is how the juice. All you have to do with this is like throw it away, because you can't do nothing with it. Or you can, you know, just pour it on your compost. So while we're doing that, guys, I'm going like preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm not going to use all of this. Maybe half of this small bowl, we're going to use half of it. This is like 8 by 8, circle 8 by 8. And this much of cassava can make 2 8 by 8. So the next thing we're going to put is, we're going to put egg. We're going to put 2 eggs. Two eggs. Oh. And next is going to be the fresh milk. This is 1 cup of fresh milk. You can do evaporated milk, but this time we're going to use fresh milk. Fresh milk. Then we're going to do butter. This is like 4 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. Vanilla extract. It's 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Mix. Then let me get the then we're gonna put our milk, coconut milk. Squirt the stuff the inside. What we're gonna do is mix it again. Now we're going to put the 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm gonna mix it in. And if you don't like white sugar, you can also use like brown sugar as a substitute for the white sugar. Just gonna stir, and then now we're gonna put condensed milk. We're only gonna use half of our condensed milk because we're gonna use the half to put it on our toppings. So that's the reason why I said that we're only using like 1/2 cup of sugar, because the condensed milk will make the cassava cake more sweeter. Like half of it. So we could just go half, then I'm going down, and then just mix it. And guys, you can also add more vanilla into your cassava cake if you want. If you want the aroma of the vanilla on it. So as you can see now, they almost done, but I'm just make it like mix all the way. To those people that don't have butter, also you can use vegetable oil or It should be the same amount, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Yeah, no, don't have no butter. This is just the substitute of butter on your cassava cake. So guys, this is how it looks when after you mix all the ingredients together. Now what we gotta do is we're gonna put it on our pan. So what we gotta do is we gotta just pour this out. You can also use 9 by 13. You can use the whole thing in your 9 by 13 pan. As you can see. Put this over here. So this is how it look. Then we just gonna wait our thing almost is like preheated all the way. Then we're gonna put this cassava mix, put it in our oven for at least 45 minutes to an hour. So we're gonna put this in here. And timer, gotta put 45 minutes. So that's how you do it. So alright guys, so 45 minutes being passed, and now we're just going to look and see if it is already the way brown. And see. Okay. So now this is the time guys that you like that this is the food. You see that it's already done. Now what you gotta do is put the condensed milk. That's gonna be the topping on top. Now we go take this one. I'll put it, set it over there, and I'll get this one, and I'll show you how to put the toppings. Alright guys, now we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna put the toppings on our cassava cake. This is just condensed milk, and then we're just gonna spread some out in our cassava. Spread. Make sure that the cassava is all the way like coated with our toppings. All the sides. And this is how it should be look like now. This one is ready, so this one gotta go to the oven for another 15 minutes. Let me go put this one, and we're going to the other one. And next we're going to do this one. Same thing, just gonna spread this. Some condensed milk. Make sure that it's all the way coated. Now I'm going to use the brush. That's how you want it. Then after we spread this, we're going to put this in the oven for another 15 minutes. Here we go. Let it melt like. Come on. Let all the good juice, good condensed milk in there. Put my gloves. Make sure that I don't get burned. Open the oven and slide it in. And guys, we're gonna come back after 15 minutes to see what it's gonna look like. Then after that we have to cool it down. Right, be right back, guys. So 15 minutes already been passed, and this is our cassava look like. It's brown. So this is what you want. It's brown. The condensed milk is already brown all the way to the top. We don't want it like all the way brown looking, because you're gonna burn the condensed milk. So now is the time to take it out and let it cool off by itself. Take that one out, and I'll take this one out for y'all to see. And let's turn the oven off. So as you can see, guys, so this is what the outcome of our cassava. And later, after it cool off, I'm gonna come back and try it in front of y'all. So as you can see, this is our beautiful cassava cake, guys. So it's so easy to make it. Like all you have to do is follow the direction that I have in my video. So if y'all like this, if y'all want to try, please tag me in y'all videos. So that's it. I'll be right back. We're going to test this. So guys, here you go. It already cooled off. Now we're going to try to slice it and see how it look like inside. See, it's beautiful cassava cake. And guys, this will be good with like warm coffee or warm tea. So we're gonna slice them. It's crunchy on the edges. Wow. Should I get my give me a sec. Let me just get this nice cake slicer. Wow, it's perfect. So pretty. It's still moist and all the way cooked already. As you can see, very pretty. You can see this, like, you can tell it's all the way cooked in there and it's still moist. So now this is the moment of truth. This is all for y'all, guys. Oh man, I wish y'all are here to taste it. Try my recipe and y'all find out what it really tastes like. So I'll enjoy this with my coffee, and thank y'all guys for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and I love you all, guys. Please spread love, no hate. I'm out.